Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter in a promo code in Expedia app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to open up Expedia, and now for this demonstration I'm going to book a hotel where I live for demonstration purposes. So I'm just going to type in Adelaide here, search, and now I'm going to choose the, say, Hotel Alba. So I'm going to click into this. I'm going to click on select the room. Just going to choose this one here, and then I can add some add-ons if I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on reserve, and now what I'm going to do is pay now. Choose that option. Now this is going to take me to the checkout section inside Expedia. And now this is where you can add in your promo code. So if we scroll down here, you got price details, you got the total, and then it's got under total, it's got user coupon credit or promotional code. So what you need to do is click onto that, put in that coupon code or discount code here, and then click on apply. And once you've done that, your total will be brought down to the total of that. So whatever that coupon code is, if it's 20 bucks off, this will be $141, etc. One thing I have noticed though, so if you choose the option of pay now, you can add in a promo or discount code. But if you pay at the property, so if I go click on, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see under price details here, there's no option for a discount or promo code to be applied. So yeah, take note of that. So if you pay at the property, you won't be able to add a promo or discount code. But if you use the pay now late option, you'll be able to add in your promo code.